Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Crypto Light. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. So let's start the review. Bonsai Coin. Growth with Bonsai Coin, a token rooted in strength and stability. Bonsai Coin is your path to financial growth. Our token is backed by the principle of resilience, patience, and the long-term vision embodied by the art of bonsai. Here you can check it out their white paper and join their community. First we have some information about Bonsai Coin. Essence of Bonsai Coin. Bonsai Coin represents more than just a token. It stands for growth, discipline and mastery. Inspired by the art of bonsai, we aim to foster a decentralized ecosystem that empower financial growth over time. Like the delicate art of bonsai, we cultivate strength in every branch of our community. Here you can see their tokenomic detail, Bonsai Coin tokenomics. Here you can check it out their total supply and their burn token 1%. Transaction tax 12%, total tax per transaction. 5% given back by holders, 1% to liquidity pool, 2% to burn wallet, 2% to marketing and charity, 2% to buyback. Next we have that how to buy BOCO. First you have to connect your wallet, Binance Smart Chain, BSC mainnet, and here you can check it out the token info, Bonsai Coin BOCO. Here you can see their contract address. You must copy their contract address, connect your wallet, paste it on your wallet and buy these tokens. Next we have token sales status. Here you can check it out token information and here you can buy tokens. Next we have token sale information. Here you can check it out all of the information and referral program. This is an amazing platform. Invest in the future. Bonsai Coin is easy to acquire. Follow these simple steps. First we have create a wallet. Create a wallet, MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Add BOCO to wallet. Add BOCO to your wallet using the contract address. Connect to PancakeSwap. Connect your wallet to PancakeSwap. Swap BNB for BOCO. Swap BNB for BOCO and growth with us. Add BOCO to wallet and get free BOCO right here. Meet the team behind Bonsai Coin. A team of dedicated professionals passionate about blockchain technology and financial independence with a vision to build a decentralized global community. We ensure BOCO stays rooted in its core value. Here you can check it out their team. They have amazing team members. Here you can check it out their social platform like their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. Here you can see their latest news and posts right here. And here you can read their comments, their latest news. This is an outstanding platform. Now back to the website. Next we have BOCO Faucet on your favorite crypto. You can also join them. Simply sign up your account and here you can check it out their latest news and further more details. You can also get started right here. Faucet earned with BOCO Faucet. Here you can check it out the details. Here you can see the registered users, withdrawal paid and BOCO paid. Free BOCO every hour. Try your luck every hour playing a simple game and you could win valuable prizes in free Bitcoin Cash. Hello game. Multiply your BOCO by up to 4,750 times by playing the probably fair high-low game. Generous referral program. Invite your friends and receive a 40% commission reward from their earnings. This is an amazing platform. Maximize your earning with a platform. Maximize your income with our tool. Monthly contest with prize. Be among the top 10 users by task volume for the month and receive your reward. High-low game. By playing dice, you can increase your balance by up to 4,750 times. Additional passive income from your referral. Earn a bonus income of 40% from your referrals earning. And bonus additional earning. Additional earnings outside our platform and much more. This is an amazing platform. Next I am showing you further more details. Here you can check it out their PancakeSwap page. Here you can see their volume, liquidity, price and further details. You can also trade here. And here you can check it out their pairs, their transaction history and further more details. This is an amazing platform. Simply connect your wallet right here. You can also change your language right here which you want. This is an fabulous project. Here you can trade, earn, bridge, play and further more amazing features right here. Now I am showing you that how you can swap your tokens. Here you can see simply write your BNB amount like 0.5 BNB. So here you can see 0.5 BNB is equals to these BOCO tokens. Simply connect your wallet and buy these tokens. I have sufficient balance. I'm just telling you about the method. Next I'm showing you their Tree Nation. Here you can check it out further more details, this is a fabulous project. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. Here you can check it out, the species by trees, most planted species, and further more details. Now back to the website. I hope you liked the video. Before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not the financial advisor. I'm just telling about the amazing project. So do your own research. We will meet in the next video. Bye.